In electronics manufacturing environments, static-sensitive devices move through multiple stages, from receiving and storage to assembly, inspection, and shipping. An important question to consider: are those devices consistently protected at every step? Connect with your local Protektive Pak representative to schedule our new ESD Material Handling Assessment, available only from Protektive Pak. This assessment examines how static-sensitive devices are handled across your facility, including trays, bins, totes, and containers used for transport and storage. While many organizations have ESD control programs in place, validation of material handling practices is often limited. Without proper verification, materials may not meet ESD requirements or may not be evaluated using appropriate test methods. Our assessment is designed to identify these gaps. We review your process beginning with receiving, where devices are transferred from external packaging into internal handling systems. In stock and inventory areas, we evaluate storage and staging practices. At workstation and assembly, we assess how devices move between operators, workstations, and handling containers. Following production, we review how products are transported to inspection and prepared for shipping. In addition to identifying risks, the assessment provides practical recommendations, process alignment, and education to help strengthen your overall ESD control program, ensuring that every handling point supports compliance. Connect with your local Protektive Pak representative today to schedule your ESD Material Handling Assessment and strengthen your approach to ESD protection.